Welcome to the Succulent Home with me, Melissa. You guys, I'm so excited that you clicked on my video. If you're here, it's probably because you are either into home decor, succulents, or cacti, or you're a fellow believer like myself who loves to put God at the center of everything they do. Hey, I feel like when you do that, when you position God to be the top, everything else flows and the blessings come. So if you're here, thank you. If you're new to my channel, then thank you. If you want to hit that subscribe button, hit it. Don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Again, you're going to see succulents, cacti, home decor, how I blend the two, how I motivate you to pot while putting God first and enjoying God's creation while worshiping and adoring the Creator. That's just my heart's desire. I feel like as women, we are multifaceted. As men, we're multifaceted. What does that mean? That means we can have a lot of passions, a lot of hobbies, and still continue to do what God created us to do, which was to honor Him. So if you are a fellow person that's just like me, then please stay, become a part of the Succulent family. And for those of you who are continuously my ride or dies, don't forget to share my videos. It really helps my channel grow. There are some dreams that I need to accomplish with you. And in order for that to happen, I need you to spread the word about the Succulent Home. So don't forget to share it on your social media platforms. Twitter, Facebook, even Instagram. The more I get out there, the more I can continue to do what God's called me to do. So I'm on all platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So all you have to do is type in the Succulent Home and you'll find me. That's all I want to share right now. There will be probably some more platforms, but right now that's all I can manage. Okay, so until then, you guys, the Succulent Home right here, that's what it looks like. Okay, so today's video is going to be in this room. I'm going to step up my game with adding a little bit more home decor videos because right now, if you notice on my channel, it is bombarded with just succulents and cacti, which is what I love. You guys can't forget that. But I also want to not forget my other passions, which is home decor. I really do think I didn't realize how much I liked it and how good I am at it. And that's just me patting my own self on the back. No conceitedness, nothing at all. Just knowing that I'm good at something makes me happy because it gives me confidence to continue to walk out God's purpose and plan in my life. And that might entail some home decor. Okay, so if this is what you want to see in this room, it's new, then keep watching. So as you walk into this room, you see that there are some high arches. The arch is the entryway right into this room. So as you can see, you're going to see one big giant picture that I got from Ashley's, because as you can see, it's a massive, massive wall with big vaulted ceilings. This is the original light that came inside the home. Big, big, big windows all on this side. I did hang that picture that says handle with prayer. That's something that I had in here. And you can see this couch. This couch came from Ashley's. It's a queen size. It pulls out into a bed. All the pillows except the one in the middle came with the couch and they're reversible, at least the big white ones. It's a whole nother pattern and a whole nother color on the other side. And in the middle was my way of just popping in a little pop of color. You can mix and match colors when you have a couch that's pretty much a muted kind of color. And you can mix and match your eclecticness, like I do, with patterns, which is why I chose the leopard. It's not your traditional leopard because it's not gold, usually black, brown, that's what you see, but I love the color. You can switch it to be that side, which is very beautiful. And then like this pillow, as you can see, that's the pattern that's on the other side. So whatever I'm feeling is how I would turn it. Now on this side, when I move, this would be, if I'm sitting on the couch, my left side, I have what I brought from my old house, that ladder my friends gifted me with. I put a throw blanket just over. It gives me just that natural feeling of being warm and cozy, along with like kind of a boho twist. Right here was an end table that I brought from the old house. I threw some pillows underneath with the color palette that's going on in this house and in this room. Again, it's a way of adding some home decor with a twist. Not normally you would see pillows underneath an end table, but hey, this is a sitting room, and if you want an extra pillow here and there, then there they are conveniently underneath the end table. I have a book because this is meant to be my sitting room where I read. You guys, this book, if you haven't got it, please go get it. It will change your life. I'm telling you, go get it. It's by the author, Dr. Billy J. Rash. He is a wonderful man of God, pastor right out of Bakersfield, California. You guys, this is a gem. I've been currently reading it, and that's why it's right here on my end table. Now, whatever book I'm currently reading and I have not finished will be right here. Why? Because it's a constant reminder to utilize this room and its quietness by reading. This is my lamp that I got from Ross. You guys, it was $29.99. It's mixing the metals of the black and gold. And I have this stand that I just put it on. So I've had that for a while. Now, I love to mix, my pottery. So you see the white, the black, and of course, my Christmas cactus. Isn't that beautiful? My Christmas, I think it's called a Christmas cactus. Anyways, it's in the succulent family, you guys. And then right across, directly from the couch, if I'm sitting down, I brought this console from my old house. Now, those were the two furniture pieces that I brought as far as living room. It has that rustic, beachy look to it, which I really love. You see how I incorporate my house plants, the prayer plant, the pothos, and those two black and white, those light up right there on the top, just to balance out that console. Up above is my ponytail palm. It is real. I love the white rock that I have on top and the pot that it's in. These two long, large mirrors, as you can see, I needed something to balance out this wall opposite of the windows and the couch. Such a long, huge wall that I knew I needed something that was more of a larger scale, height-wise. These are long mirrors. Hi. These are long mirrors that you would use to lay against a wall, like to see what you're wearing for the day. They were $19.99. They go perfect with the decor because it's a black frame with like a more muted gold on the inside. And I just think that these were both perfect to contrast right by the picture. And as you can see, this big, large picture has the copper colors, the black, the silver, and the white. I love the natural nature look that it's giving me of like a forest with water in the evening, sun setting. It's just gorgeous. Now, on top of the console, I got this gold, just this gold like serving kind of plate thing, bowl, if you will. I got it from a secondhand store, you guys. I got it for such a good deal. I think it was like $3. This right here, Be creative. Remember, home decor is not about breaking the bank, but you never know what you're gonna find and where you're gonna find it. So keep your eyes open because you never know when you're gonna find a good gem like this. This right here is a table runner. I folded it in a way where it would be more like causing interest, but also you wouldn't know it was a table runner. It almost looks like a blanket folded up right there. And if I needed it, I could use it. So it looks like a little throw to me. But I love it because it kind of pulls in, if you will, that blanket, pulls in that blanket on that side, giving that natural bohemian feeling with this right here. And then I have 2 of these candlestick iron holders. These are artificial. I can light them however I want. And these were given by a friend. I had these for many years. Never get rid of anything. I'm not saying be a hoarder, but don't get rid of anything that you know could be mixed and matched in different areas of your house. So this is what we're working with in this room. And then down below, you see my struggling pothos. It is struggling, you guys, but I'm trying to keep it alive. I'm learning as I go, but it's hanging in there. And I have it in a basket within a wire basket is what I have.
Talk to me nice.